tie rod off the E36. Do I need a special tools or just a big wrench? Biggest thing I have is 24 mil. It doesn't fit. What do I need to do there? Let me know, peeps. The new extended arms. Plug in this old girl. All right, so the new arm is in, and we're just gonna keep going. So all that was fun. So I got like a flash hailstorm when I'm trying to put all this shit together. It got crazy. I rushed to put all the tools away, and then it kind of stopped. I realized I left my driver's door open, and my seat was full of fucking hail, and I had to like scoop it all out. It's great. It's great. Oh yeah. Pissing me off. Don't have the right tool. Always fighting. Oh, here we go. Well, I got the tie rod in. It's the E90 inner tie rod because of the extended arms, which I was advised, and it's threaded all the way in, and I got to cut it, I guess. Somebody tell me. I have to cut this thing. Oh, great. I broke it. Do I even need wheel speed sensors? Do I really need them? Like, really? Nah. Maybe. I don't know. Partial success. Partial success. Okay, new control arms are in, right? The extended ones. Give them a quick coat of paint afterwards. Try the E90 inner tie rods, E36 outer tie rods, my shocks, and I threaded the tie rod all the way in, and my wheel's pretty straight, and you can see that I'm way too far out here, boys, way too far. So I think I need to cut that. A couple people. And then I couldn't get the rotor off the old hub because the set screw was rusted in. I gotta get that out somehow. And then I got the rotor on this one. And now I think I might need to set my camber plates because it doesn't turn the top. It turns the spring. It's weird. Very weird. I don't have the tie rod in, obviously, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut it, so I'm not gonna bother putting this one in until I figure that out. And let's throw the wheel on here real quick to see what it looks like. Cheers. Okay, so that's without a 20 mil spacer. Okay. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to roll all the fenders. I have to roll all 4 fenders because that's, as soon as it gets body droop, that's hitting. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can the tie rods are off right now, so I don't know how much it's actually going to get. So like I said, there's no tie rod on right now. I don't know if that's how far it'll actually go. And like I said, we're going to have to roll those fenders. It's a 225 instead of a 205 this time, so cool. I think I'll finish her up tomorrow.